iPhone X continues to give analysts a hard time as forecasts continue to drop. Yes, your Android Oreo update has just rolled out for the Samsung Galaxy S8, and Huawei just hinted that we should expect the P20 with a couple of things that we've seen in rumors. I'm Jaime Rivera, and since you guys like the news early, this is a pre-recorded video to ensure that you get the news early. This is Pocketnow Daily. Let's begin today talking about Apple's HomePod. We didn't think that this product was going to be very popular. We still don't think it will be because of its price tag. But it's been surprising a lot of people, starting with the fact that it's not as large as it seems in photos. It's actually significantly smaller, and people are claiming that it performs great. So let's see what happens over time, as selling out is a good thing for Apple. Now let's talk about Huawei. The company has just sent out press invitations for its event to happen in Paris on March 27th. The company had pretty much already said this, but what's most important about the invitation are the three circles behind the Eiffel Tower, which pretty much confirm that we are getting triple lenses on this camera. What exactly is Huawei and LeEco going to provide in this phone? We are extremely curious, and we will keep you posted. Now, we're going to call this segment the sad news of the day because, well, we just heard a couple of things, starting with, do you guys remember the Turing phone? And I don't blame you if you don't, because that phone pretty much was just, an idea that eventually I think actually sold, or I don't know, because we just lost track of it. That company just declared bankruptcy. That's the news. And then in the second portion, you remember LeEco and the fact that we actually reviewed a few of its products. It was an interesting approach to Android that was focused more on content consumption. Well, that company, their website is down right now, and apparently their owner is still dealing with the fact that he's trying to find funding to keep the company running. Crazy, sad news as well. And believe it or not, the Android Oreo update for your Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus is now available. Obviously, there's a catch. It depends on your region, if you're going to get it rolled out to you now or eventually when, and your carriers, and you know the way things go in the United States. The important part is that it has finally left beta, as we are just a couple of weeks away from the Galaxy S9. Finally. And yes, in today's hottest news today, let's talk about the iPhone X, not the 2018 model, but the current one. As Goldman Sachs has already started pulling its predictions and just claiming that there won't be a super cycle, the phone has really disappointed analysts, and even Apple has cut down on its supply orders because the phone just hasn't sold what the company was expecting. And it kind of makes sense. Actually, in today's question, let us know, why do you think that this phone has disappointed analysts so much? Because in my case, I think that the phone just hasn't sold because it's too expensive. People are just not willing to pay the price of a MacBook for a phone. That is my opinion. Leave us yours in the comments down below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the iPhone X versus Google Pixel 2 XL down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.